Good afternoon. I am Anisova Agirim Sagandykovna, a teacher of Methods Foreign Language Teaching, and today I present a new lecture, Teaching Aids and Teaching Materials. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to understand teaching aids and teaching materials, should be able to know the importance of teaching aids and teaching materials, should be familiar with different types of teaching aids and materials. By teaching aids, we mean various devices which can help foreign language teacher in presenting linguistic material to his pupils and fixing it in their memory, in testing pupils' knowledge of words, phrases, and grammar items, their habits and skills in using them. Teaching aids which are at teacher's disposal in contemporary school may be grouped into non-mechanical aids and mechanical aids. Non-mechanical aids. A blackboard. The oldest aid in the classroom. The teacher turns the blackboard whenever he needs to write something while explaining some new linguistic material to his pupils, correcting pupils' mistakes, or arranging the class to work at some words and certain patterns. A board which has properties of a magnet. Flannel board. A board covered with flannel or other soft fabric for sticking pictures on its surface. Mechanical aids. Tape recorder. May be played back as many times as is necessary. The twin-track tape recorder allows the pupil to play back the tape listening to the speaker's voice and recording his own. Projector. Used for projection of illustrations and photographs. Record player. An audio equipment available in every school. Teaching aids play a very important role in teaching learning process. Importance of teaching aids as follows. Motivation. Teaching aids motivate the students so that they can learn better. Clarification. Through teaching aids, the teacher clarifies the subject matter more easily. Discouragement of cramming. Teaching aids can facilitate the proper understanding to the students, which discourages the act of cramming. Classroom live and active. Teaching aids make the classroom live and active. Avoids dullness. Decreases lazy attitudes of students. Direct experience. Teaching aids provide direct experience to the students. By teaching materials, we mean the materials which the teacher can use to help pupils learn a foreign language through visual or audio perception. They must be capable of contributing to the achievement of the practical, cultural, and educational aims of learning a foreign language. Since pupils learn a foreign language for several years, it is necessary for the teacher to have a wide variety of materials which make it possible to progress with an increasing sophistication to match the pupils' continually growing command of the foreign language. Good teaching materials will help greatly to reinforce the pupils' initial desire to learn the language and sustain their enthusiasm throughout the course. The following teaching materials are in use nowadays: teachers' books, pupils' books, visual materials, and audio-visual material. A teacher's book, wall charts, textbooks, maps and plans, student's book, pictures, flashcards, audio-visual materials, and so on. After getting acquainted with the lecture, please be ready to answer these questions. The first question. The teacher should use various audio-visual materials. Say what factors you will consider in selecting these materials in teaching foreign languages. Confirm your statement. The second. Effective teaching cannot be ensured without the use of audio-visual materials. True or false? Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.